Now we discuss mean and variance of some standard distributions, discrete or continuous. We discuss mean and variance of some standard distributions, discrete or continuous. First one, binomial NP distributions. Binomial NP distributions. If x follows binomial NP distributions, the random variable, discrete random variable, then its PMF is given by probability of x equal to I, NCI, p to the power I, q to the power n minus I, where I running from 0, 1 to 3 dot n, where p plus q equal to n. So mean of binomial distribution is NP. Mean means expectation of x. So expectation of x is NP. So this n is the number of trial. So this n into p is the mean of binomial distributions. Okay. And variance. Variance of x. Variance of x means second order central moment, means expectation of variance of x means expectation of x minus m whole square. So here m is NP. So expectation of x minus m whole square means variance. So variance of x is second order central moment, means equal to NPQ. So mean of binomial distribution is NP and variance of binomial distribution is NPQ, where p plus q equal to 1. Very popular, very important results. Mean of binomial distribution is NP and variance of binomial distribution is NPQ. Okay. Next, Poisson distributions. So PMM means probability mass function of Poisson distribution is given by probability of x equal to xi equal to x probability of x equal to I, where I running from 0, 1 to 3 dot equal to e to the power minus mu to the power I by I factorial, or mu is the parameter. So Poisson PMF of the Poisson distribution is given by probability of x equal to I e to the power minus mu into mu to the power I by I factorial, where I running from 0, 1 to 3 dot. Where mu is the parameter, also mu greater than 0. So mean means expectation of x of Poisson distribution is mu. So mu is the mean of Poisson distributions, and variance of x means expectation of x minus mean whole square. So expectation of x minus mu whole square equal to mu. So if we calculate variance and mean of Poisson distribution, we get mean of Poisson distribution is mu and variance of Poisson distribution is also mu. Okay. So this mu is mean, also variance of Poisson distributions. Please remember these results, very important results. Next we discuss another important discrete distribution is Pascal distributions. Pascal distribution is also continuous distributions. Pascal distribution is also standard discrete distribution, one of the standard discrete distribution. So this is the discrete distribution. So PMM means probability mass function of Pascal distribution is given by probability of x equal to xi equal to probability of x equal to I equal to 1 by 1 plus mu into mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power I, where I running from 0, 1 to 3 dot. So PMA means probability mass function of Pascal distribution is given by probability of x equal to I equal to 1 by 1 plus mu into mu by 1 plus mu whole to the power I. This is the PMA of Pascal distributions. So where I running from 0, 1 to 3 dot. So if we calculate mean of Pascal distribution, we get mean is mu. Mean is also mu in this Pascal distribution, where mu greater than 0 is a parameter. If we calculate variance, we get mu into 1 plus mu. So mu into 1 plus mu is the variance of Pascal distribution. Variance of x means expectation of x minus m whole square, where m is mu. So if we calculate expectation of x minus mu whole square, we get variance of x. So variance of x of Pascal distribution is mu into 1 plus mu, where mu is the parameter which is greater than 0. Okay, very important result. Mean and variance of Pascal distribution is given by mu and mu into mu plus 1 respectively. Okay. Fourth number, if for rectangular distribution or uniform distributions, so if x follows, x is a continuous random variable, so x follows uniformly distributed or rectangular distributed over the interval a comma b, then this is the PDF. Probability density function is given by 1 by b minus a, where a less than x less than b 0 otherwise. This is the PDF of uniformly distribution. If x is uniformly distributed over the interval ab, then the PDF is given by f of x, we denoted. This is the PDF. F of x, we just denote it. F of x equal to 1 by b minus a, where a less than x less than b 0 otherwise. If we calculate mean, means expectation of x, so expectation of x, if we calculate expectation of x means a to b x into f of x dx. If we calculate expectation of x, f of a to b x into f of x dx, so a to b x into f of x means b minus a dx. So we get mean is, if we calculate this integration, we get mean means expectation of x, we get a plus b by 2. So a plus b by 2 is the mean of rectangular distribute. If x is rectangular distributed over the interval a to b, then we get mean is a plus b by 2. If we calculate variance of x, so variance is 1 by 12 a minus b whole square. 1 by 12 a minus b whole square is the variance of x. Variance of x means expectation of x minus m whole square. Here m is a plus b by 2. So if we calculate expectation of x minus a plus b by 2 whole square, we get variance of rectangular distribution. So hence x is uniformly distributed over the interval ab, then we get mean equal to a plus b by 2 and variance is equal to 1 by 12 a minus b whole square. This is the result for rectangular distribution. Very important. Next one is normal distributions. If x follow normal m sigma if x follow normal distribution m sigma distribution, means m sigma both parameter. So if x follows normal m sigma distribution, then the PDF means probability density function is given by f of x equal to 1 by root over 2 pi sigma into to the power x minus a minus of x minus m whole square by 2 sigma square. This is the PDF of normal distribution. The PDF of normal distribution is given by f of x equal to 1 by root over 2 pi sigma into e to the power minus of x minus m whole square by 2 sigma square, where x minus infinity to infinity and where minus infinity less than infinity. So x running from minus infinity to infinity, also m running from minus infinity to infinity, and sigma is also and sigma greater than 0. So this is the conditions, or this is the PDF of normal distribution. If we calculate expectation of x, then we get m. This m is the mean of normal distributions. This m is the mean of normal distributions. If we calculate expectation of x, we get this m. This m is normal distribution. This m is the mean of this normal distributions. Okay. If we calculate variance of x means if we calculate expectation of x minus m whole square, here m is also m. So if we calculate expectation of x minus m whole square, we get variance. We ultimately get variance of x is sigma square. This sigma whole square is the variance of x. This is the very important result. If we calculate variance of x of normal distribution, we get this sigma square. This sigma square is the variance of normal distribution, and this m is the mean of normal distribution. Okay, where sigma greater than 0 and m minus infinity to m running from minus infinity to infinity. Okay, this is the very important result. Also noted that normal distribution is also called Gaussian or Gauss or Laplace Gauss distribution. Another name of normal distribution is Gaussian distributions. Another name of normal distribution is Laplace-Gauss distribution. So Laplace-Gauss distribution means normal distribution. Gaussian distribution means normal distribution. Also Gauss distribution means normal distribution. Okay, this is the note. Remember these notes. Okay. Next distribution is exponential distribution. If this continuous, this is the continuous distribution. If this continuous random variable, if continuous random variable x follows exponential distribution, then the PDF or probability density function is given by of. So PDF of exponential distribution is given by f of x equal to lambda into e to the power minus lambda x. Lambda into e to the power minus lambda x is the PDF of exponential distribution, which is also continuous distribution, where lambda greater than 0 and 0 less than equal to x less than infinity. So 0 otherwise. So PDF of exponential distribution is lambda into e to the power minus lambda x, while lambda greater than 0 and 0 less than x less than infinity is also, and 0 otherwise. This is the PDF of exponential distributions. If we calculate mean and variance, we get mean of exponential distribution is 1 by m. So mean of exponential distribution is 1 by m. So mean of exponential distribution is 1 by m. If we calculate variance of x is 1 by lambda square. So 1 by lambda is the mean of exponential distributions and 1 by lambda square is the variance of exponential distribution, where PDF is given by lambda into e to the power minus lambda x, while lambda greater than 0 and 0 less than equal to x less than infinity and 0 otherwise. Very important result. Okay. Next we discuss gamma distributions. If this continuous random variable follow gamma distribution or x is a gamma L variate, then the PDF of gamma distribution is given by f of x equal to PDF of gamma distribution is given by f of x equal to e to the power minus x to the power L minus 1 by gamma L, where 0 less than x less than infinity and L greater than 0. 0 otherwise. L is the also parameter. So PDF of gamma distribution is given by f of x equal to e to the power minus x to the power L minus 1 by gamma L, where 0 less than x less than infinity and L also greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. So if we calculate mean of gamma distribution, we get L. See, if we calculate expectation of x means mean. If we calculate expectation of x, we get L. So L is the mean of gamma distribution. L is the mean of gamma distributions. If we calculate variance of x of gamma distribution means expectation of x minus m whole square, here m equal to L. So here if we calculate variance of x, we get also L. So L is the mean also variance of gamma distributions. So mean equal to variance. So mean also same as variance in gamma distributions. So here mean also L and variance also L, where L greater than 0 also parameter. So for gamma distribution, mean equal to variance. Okay, remember these points. Very important result. Okay.